morning, y'all. It's surgery day, so we made it. We are here. So I'm going into surgery this morning. We're actually getting ready to leave in a few. I'm ready. I feel rested. Finally, just woosah and relax. Yeah. So stylish. I am back in the hotel recovering. Honestly, I was so surprised on how quick the surgery was. It was like over in a blink. I got there at 6. By 9 o'clock, like, we were on our way back to the hotel. And throughout the day yesterday, it was so different than the first time I had my implants done. Like I told you guys in my first video that I did in this series, I was just not feeling good at all. Yesterday though, I surprisingly didn't feel all that bad. I mean, I definitely have some pain still, especially in the right side. There's a lot of scar tissue removed. I can start to feel where the surgeon did like the lateral repair stuff. My incision sites, I can tell, kind of hurt, but I take my pain meds and I'm pretty good. I did notice that I had a hard time sleeping. I want to say I probably slept maybe an hour to max during the day. Other than that, it was so smooth yesterday. I didn't get sick from the meds. My appetite has been pretty good. I've been doing like really bland foods, low sodium stuff, like unsalted crackers, low sodium soups, things like that, just to kind of get stuff going and not cause any more excessive swelling. So that's been doing good. As you can still see, I'm pretty bloated from all the anesthetics and just the medication. I don't normally do medication like that. I've been drinking a lot of ginger ale, but they didn't really do anything diet, so it's been all like actual full sugar stuff. So yeah, so all this will start to kind of go down over the next few days, but honestly, y'all, I'm not even concerned about it. I can even kind of just tell already, just looking at the shape that I have, even just in the bandages, that I think I'm gonna be super, super pleased. So I cannot wait to get home and get everything on off. So I was really curious to know like what size that we end up going with yesterday, and I was reading on myself last night. So it looks like we ended up going with 510cc extra high profile. So I remember the doctor saying just before I went into surgery that he had several implants in the room and he was gonna pick which one was gonna give me the overall look that we wanted. So I should definitely have a lot of projection, more than what I had before. And I am now 150 cc's bigger than what my previous implants were. So I know a lot of people are gonna ask, like, what size cup are you now? Honestly, I'm not gonna really know for a little bit. It's really hard to tell simply because I'm still gonna be really swollen for a while. They're gonna have to then settle. I'm pretty sure I'm no longer a D cup, but I will have to kind of see when it's all said and done what cup size I'm gonna be. But I'm imagining I'm somewhere in the double D range-ish. So we'll see. Y'all, that is a wrap for surgery day and post-surgery day. So like I said, I will probably do a follow-up in about like a month, check in with you guys and let you guys know how everything is going, and then go from there. Please, if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below, let me know, and don't forget to take a little minute, like and subscribe to this channel while you are here, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.